Hello, I'm back. Today I am going to break the garage door, but first let me scan the garage. Here I am in the garage. Break!
How dare you break the garage door? That's it, you are so grounded for 10 years. Go to your room right now.
Stupid little Tom brat. I wish you were dead. Whoa!
Thank you for all of your support for supporting on my channel.
And make sure I'll be getting my revenge.